Luna Classic is testing a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, we are pretty much in the same range as of yesterday, but I did want to talk about a few things. Number one, from a bullish case scenario, you can see that the bulls tried to break above this level on the 4-hour above the EMAs, and immediately after, we did see a gravestone doji breaking back down. This is an extremely bearish candlestick formation, so ideally what we're looking for right now is a clean break of this 17 support level and a possible continuation down to the 14 major support. The reason why this 14 support level is so important is you guys can see that we only tested this level once. Ideally, a second and third test confirmation would be perfect, but of course on Luna Classic, things obviously tend to be a lot more volatile. Ideally, what I'm looking for though is if we do break below this 14 support level, I would like to see this major support here at 86 tested. As you guys already know from previous videos, the reason why this 86 level is so important, as you can see from previous price analysis, we have tested this level multiple times. Now, looking at this 4-hour perspective right now, we have two possible case scenarios. Number one, of course, from a bullish case scenario, if we do end up holding above the 17 level, we would be looking for a strong bullish engulfing candle, actually breaking above this 18 mark and then finding it as consolidation. Then we can assume the fact that Luna Classic is in an uptrend, something like this, and that continuation, because the fact that this consolidation zone is getting tighter and tighter. The only thing, of course, that worries me is the fact that we are below the exponential moving averages. When we tend to have that sort of formation, just like the one we saw right here, below the exponential moving averages, we tend to have a more bearish case scenario because of the fact that the EMAs start pushing towards the downside, as well as the fact that we start using this area as resistance for that continuation. Looking at the hourly time frames, you can see on Luna Classic that we are pretty much in this little volatile period where we are starting to see more and more wicks on the hourly to the downside, but buyers do come in and continue pushing the price up. The only difference, of course, is the fact that we can't break above these EMAs even on the hourly, and you're starting to see more and more rejection candlesticks pushing back down. Over on the hourly, in terms of support, we do have a decent support line over here around that 16.5. If, of course, that level is broken, then we could look for that continuation. But in terms of a bullish case scenario, as long as we don't break below this level of 16.5 and actually consolidate at these ranges, we still have a decent bullish case scenario. Of course, if we do see another wick to the upside, grabbing that liquidity and that continuation, then things obviously change. And I mentioned in my previous videos the fact that this was a perfect case scenario for a shorting opportunity. I was hoping for the fact that we would actually grab that liquidity and have this beautiful wick on the 18 mark, grab that consolidation, and then have that continuation would make for a perfect short. Of course, this would have been invalidated if we did have a continuation. So right now on Luna Classic, this is a no trade zone. The reason why, of course, is you can see that the EMAs are getting tighter and tighter. The volume is starting to die. So maybe wait to see how this pattern plays out. If we do have a bearish case scenario and a strong bearish engulfing candle, that would give you the analysis of entering those shorting positions. But if we do have a strong continuation on Luna Classic, then you guys already know we will be looking for a possible retest around that 20 resistance. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.